Now, the VAT return is prepared every 3 months. So besides the routine monthly submission of the VS forms of all of the accounting records, your accountant needs to prepare and submit your VAT returns every month. So this is number one. If you have hired payroll, local payroll, you will need a payroll expert to prepare and pay on your behalf as an employer the payroll taxes. Payroll in Cyprus, like in the UK and like in other European countries, has become extremely complicated, and trust me, not everyone can do it. You need specialized software and specialized people. You need the expertise of an accountant with more than 20 or 25 years of experience who can fully understand the taxes, how they are deducted, how they are paid, how they are represented in the IR1 in the personal forms of the employees, in the IR7 in the personal forms of the company. So that's the second point that you need to account for. First, you have an accountant running monthly the affairs of your company. Then you have a specialist for payroll. And then at the year end, which is the third point, you need your auditor, the team of auditors, who will close the books of your company in accordance to the International Financial Reporting Standards, calculate for your company the taxes, liaise with you and ensure you pay your taxes, and proceed with all the relevant filings. 3 teams of people will be working for the Cyprus company. I've explained the workload required, so imagine how much these people or this audit and assurance firm needs to get paid so that you will enjoy high quality services. The reason I'm saying this is because, as I've mentioned earlier on, in Cyprus there are many cowboys. There are some bankers who portray to be accountants. There are some other people who present themselves as accountants and as auditors, and this is clearly not the case. Having a Cyprus company has become increasingly complicated, not for you as the investor or the owner, but for us who are the providers of the service. We need to comply with international financial reporting standards. We need to ensure your taxes are accurate. We need to ensure that you don't pay any penalties and fines, who have increased over the recent years and which I will analyze later on. We need to make sure that you file everything on time. We need to make sure that we liaise with you frequently by phone or by email. We need to make sure that you enjoy the latest EU directives, you understand them, you receive them, and if there's anything of importance, you get notified. This is something that regulated audit and assurance firms can provide for you. This is not something that the cowboy can know, can understand, or have the means or tools for all this stuff, for all this work to be grouped in an email, to be grouped in the back office support, to be supported by a team of people where by ringing or calling the phone, they will respond to any questions you may have.